3, 2, 1. Welcome to Spanish with Dennis, guys. And today we are going to talk about verbs that are very important for beginners. When you start learning Spanish, there are some verbs that you need to know immediately because those are very important verbs, especially for beginners. If you want to have basic vocabulary or I don't know, basic conversation like dialogue, of different topics. And today we are going to talk about 10 verbs that you need to know when you start to learn Spanish. And guys, if you haven't watched my videos that I did some weeks ago, some days ago, about 20 Spanish words that are useful for beginners, for I don't know, basic vocabulary. And also another video with plus 20 words, so you have 40 new words in Spanish if you are beginner, if you have basic vocabulary. 40 words, palabras that you need to know when you start to learn Spanish. Yes, guys, very important 40 words. Yes, guys, those videos are already on the channel. I will let the link on the description of this video so you can watch after you finish this one. 40 or 20 words for basic vocabulary in Spanish. Very important word that we use everyday life. It means often, always. So guys, let's start with today. Today is about verbs. And the first one, verbo is ser. The most important verb in Spanish is ser. Is possible. Yes, guys. For example, yo soy Dennis. Tú eres mi amigo. I am Dennis. You are my friend. The verb ser is very important in Spanish. So you need to know if you are beginner or in general if you are learning Spanish. The number 2 is estar. And estar means also to be. And what is the difference between ser and estar? Guys, some weeks ago, months ago, I created a video for you on this channel, the difference between ser y estar. When we use ser, when we use estar. If you haven't watched that video, go on my channel, ser versus estar, or I will let the link on the description of this video so you can watch after what is the difference between ser y estar. When do we use ser? When do we use estar? Because they are both translated like to be. And some example of estar. Yo estoy en casa. Tú estás en el parque. So, understand? Got it. Number 3. And number 3 today is hablar. Very important verb in Spanish if you are a beginner, because hablar is to speak. You need to speak Spanish. So, hablar, yo hablo inglés y español con ustedes. Nosotros hablamos español. Got it, guys. Hablar. And the next one is the number 4. The number 4 is tener. And tener is translated like to have. I have a lot of dogs. Yo tengo muchos perros. Ellos tienen muchas casas. Yes, guys, to have, tener, and is irregular. So remember about that. There are some irregular verbs here. And the number 5, very important also, pensar. Pensar means to think, pensar. Yo pienso mucho en comida. Ustedes piensan mucho en chocolates. And the number 6 today, the number 6 is hacer. To do, guys, very important verb in Spanish, especially if you are a beginner. Hacer, to do. Yo hago la tarea. Yes, it's a regular verb in the first person, Él hace muchas cosas. To do, hacer. And the number 7 today, guys, is trabajar. Trabajar is very important because sometimes we want to talk about if you work, where do you work? For example, ¿dónde tú trabajas? Yo trabajo en una escuela. Got it, guys. Trabajar is very important. ¿Dónde trabajas tú? ¿Dónde trabaja usted? Y the next one is the number 8, and is comer. Comer, to eat. Yo como pizza. Ella come sopa. You need to know how it's to drink. Beber, guys. Beber is to drink. And one example with beber. Yo bebo agua. Tú bebes leche. Beber, guys. Beber. And the number 10 today, and very important verb also in Spanish and for beginner, of course, querer. Querer is to want. Querer. Yo quiero comer. I want to eat. Nosotros queremos jugar. We want to play. Yes, today you know 10 verbs. 10 basic verbs for beginner, for vocabulary, to start building your vocabulary, because those verbs are very important. And what verbs you know today? Ser, estar, hablar, tener, pensar, hacer, trabajar, comer, beber y querer. Guys, you know today 10 verbs, and they are very useful. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments what do you think, if it was useful. If you want more videos like this, I will be very happy to create more videos like this for all of you. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel, because this channel is for learning Spanish and we will be creating a lot of interesting content. So it will be a great support if you can support to my channel, if this content is useful for you, and in the future you want more, just subscribe and I will be very happy, and also to see your comments then down below. So this is all for today, guys, and don't forget to watch 20 Spanish words for beginners that can help you to build your vocabulary. Yeah, the video is here, in the left, in the right, in the description of this video. Yes, guys, so hasta la próxima, nos vemos, chao.